What's up, my dudes? It's Demi, and today I am showing you the top 10 things you didn't know that you could do here at Universal Orlando. From ride secrets to insider tips, this list has a lot of cool hidden things you probably didn't know that you could do in this park. So let's get into it. Let's see the top 10 things you didn't know you could do at Universal, and let's go get into some hijinks. We are gonna start this video out in Diagon Alley, the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. Half the fun of the Wizarding World is purchasing an interactive wand and doing the magic all around Diagon Alley and Hogsmeade. And these wands are not cheap. Right now, at time of recording, they are $65. What a lot of people may not know is if your wand stops doing magic, like you notice that none of the spells are working, you can bring your wand back into Ollivanders and they will repair your wand at no cost. And parents, I'm going to ask you to skip to this timestamp right here because I'm going to tell you a little secret. Make sure no kids are listening. Okay, we're good? Okay, that just means they're going to replace your wand with a new wand, okay? And if they don't have the same wand that you purchased, like for example, in 2016, I bought this Bellatrix wand, and in 2020, it just stopped working, but they didn't have it in stock anymore. So since my wand was not in stock, they offered me a new wand at no cost. And this, I believe, is like a lifetime guarantee. So like I said, I bought that in 2016. I can still get my wand repaired today. And as a bonus, you can purchase Hagrid's umbrella wand for $120. And I don't think many people know that this is available here. Oh, and on the 10s, the dragon does this. Next up, we are in Diagon Alley, and next to the stage, you will find the Gringotts money exchange. Here, you can trade your real money in for wizard money. It's a $10 minimum. You can use cash, you can use credit. Spend these wizard dollars not just in both lands, Diagon Alley and Hogsmeade, but all over Universal as long as it is not a third-party vendor. Next to Fast and Furious Supercharged is First Aid. Yes, they have Band-Aids, but they also have even more. They have a ton of over-the-counter medication like ibuprofen, Tylenol, Pepto-Bismol, allergy, and yes, adults, even Tums. And it's totally free. All you have to do is give them your first and last name and your heartburn goes away. Next up, wait time alerts. A really cool feature in the Universal app is when you go into wait times and you see the time for the ride you want to ride, and it's maybe too long, you don't want to wait that long, tap into the ride and hit the little bell icon. You can slide down how long you are willing to wait. 20 minutes, 15, 40, whatever it is offering you, however long you are willing to wait. When the ride, or if the ride, I should say, gets to be that wait time, the app will notify you, and then you can head over on to your attraction with the lower wait time that you would like. The next thing you may not know about Universal is that they offer a ton of single rider lines. Single rider is a great opportunity to get on a ride a lot faster than if you waited on the regular queue. You do get split from your party because you are filling in available seats. And sometimes it's actually not faster than the regular queue. And I'm sure you're thinking, Demi, you just said that it's supposed to make the wait time be a lot shorter. Well, I have done experiments here at Universal Studios and over at Islands of Adventure, trying out every single rider line. And some single rider lines are not as good as you expect. So go check out those videos to see which ride single rider is worth doing and which it is not. Next up is another really cool thing you can use your Universal Orlando app for, and it's for the ride Villain-Con Minion Blast. Open the Universal app and scroll down to Villain-Con. Make sure you do this before you get onto the attraction. To make the game more fun, you can go on missions given to you by the Vicious Six. So while you're blasting away on the ride, there's going to be certain things that you're looking for. Just make sure that your blaster is synced to your app. And what's really cool is even if you don't complete your mission, more missions unlock each time that you play as long as you are synced with your blaster to your app. The next thing you didn't know you could do at Universal Orlando is over at Rip Ride Rockit. Now this secret has become pretty popular over the years, but for you newbies, let me explain. Rip Ride Rockit is this roller coaster where you get to choose a song to listen to when you ride. And you'll see when you sit down a list of genres and songs, but there is a secret menu. What you're going to do is hit the top button and it's going to unlock a keypad online, and I'm going to link the list in the description box so you can look at it. there's going to be a list of hidden songs with a code. You're going to put the code in of the song you want to listen to. And the thing is though, you have like no time to do this. I can't even explain to you how you immediately get into this vehicle and you have to like do this so quickly because you're ready to take off. I can't show you because you go through a metal detector on this ride and I can't bring my equipment. But just get in your seat as fast as possible, hit that button, remember the code to the song of the hidden list that you want to listen to, put it in, and there you go. And again, I will link the list of hidden songs in the description box below because there is a lot of them. Next, over in San Francisco, you can get a cartoon of yourself. They have Caricatures. It's $20 for a black and white photo and $30 for a color. Across from the caricature, you can find amazing pictures. Here you can choose a variety of options and become one of your favorite movies like Shrek and the Flintstones. Next is a perk for Universal Orlando Resort guests. Guests staying at Universal Orlando hotels can do a fun activity called pool hopping. It's a great way to try out a bunch of different pools and see all of the unique Universal Orlando Resort. It's also a great way to be able to check out all of the Universal Orlando hotels, especially if you're planning on coming back to Universal and you want to change up what hotel you're staying at. You can also check out my Universal Hotel playlist where I have a detailed hotel tour of every Universal Orlando hotel. So go check that out to help plan your next Universal vacation. And finally, this is another perk for Universal Resort guests. If you are staying at a Universal Orlando hotel and you would like to buy some merchandise while you're in the park but you don't want to hold it, that's okay because Universal offers package pickup, but just for Universal Hotel guests. Yes, they used to offer package pickup for day guests where you could pick it up at the exit of the park. That is no longer the case. This is only if you are staying at a Universal hotel. The way it works is if you buy something before 5 o'clock, it will be at your resort by the latest the next day by 12 p.m. So if you're planning on using this service as a Universal Hotel guest, make sure it's not the final day that you are staying here that you do package pickup, because like I said, it's probably not going to get you resort until the next day at 12 p.m. Make sure you have some buffer time.
Well, my dudes, that was my top 10 things you didn't know you could do here at Universal. Let me know in the comments, did you know everything on this list? Did you not hear something that you wanted to hear and you think it's a tip that not many people know about? Let me know in the comments below, and that only help me, but others who are planning their Universal trips. If there's any other list that you would like for me to make here at Universal Orlando, let me know in the comments below as well. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification to come anything that goes on this channel. Follow me on Instagram at Magical Hijinx. Check out the Patreon. Become Patreon, get exclusive bonus content, bonus flyers, help with your planning, access to our Discord, and so much more. And you'll help me to continue bringing great content like this to this channel. And until next time, my dudes, I hope you guys get into some hijinks very, very soon. Bye-bye.